Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're talking about CLSK Cleanspark. So stock is 17% up. Pretty big move off of the support, considering this stock yesterday was sitting at these levels where it could just flip over, go lower any given time, but it's squeezing higher, pushing higher. So here's what I'm watching for this stock. On a daily chart, we did cover it many times. But if you take a look at this support, man, it held so good. $15 support. And right here, right now, well, we have recent highs of 23.45. And then this high where it pretty much dumped pretty big. So that's why I have this trend line resistance at the moment. That's where stock is sitting right now. So for this stock to push higher, it needs to have a follow through. Volume is there. We still have one more hour until market close. $20 would be the resistance for now, and it needs to build above these levels and don't go below. So that's the technicals. Option activity. So today there are a lot of options that were coming in for this name, but most of them ultra short term. 76,000 calls being traded. 25,000 puts being traded. Implied volatility for the rest of the week implying $1.80. For next week, it's implying that it can move up or down 360. Can it move higher? Absolutely. But let's take a look at the option activity. So there are a lot of short-term calls, just like I said, but there are also some long-term ones. Well, I don't want to say these are long, but with some time. April 19th, 37 call. June, $29 call. 23 call for April. Next year, January, 37 call. I don't know if these are being sold or bought. I have to double check once open interest changes. Ultra short term, March 28th, $18 calls. So there are a lot of calls. If you take a look at the delta and where these are being traded, you can say, yeah, these are being bought because people are paying ask on most of, they paid the ask on most of them. And well, you can see the delta. Most of these calls are outside of the money. Almost 80% of these call contracts are outside of the money. So far looks bullish. But it needs to clear 20, stay there. Do not have this Christmas tree pattern where it has one green day, another is red, one green day, another is red. So it needs to build from here. So above 23, well, that would be above 20, 23.50 my resistance. But if I switch to a little bit further, considering those people are buying outside of the money, 37th and like 29th, 30 resistance, 40 another resistance. Those are the two big levels once this name is able to clear this level, because this 23.50 has been a pretty big resistance. So it still stays as a resistance right here, right now. So that's what I'm watching for CleanSpark.